How to unban from a Discord server IP ban bypass. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, type Setup VPN. Click the top result from the Chrome Web Store. On the right side, click Add to Chrome to install the extension. Once you add, follow the setup step. Just click Next, then Continue to VPN. Check the to box. Then click Continue. Now choose the server or country you want to connect to. Once the VPN is connected, you can open Discord again with the new IP. You should now be able to rejoin the server. Subscribe to see more video like this.